Real roads, real rage, real shocks. Welcome to Shock Cam Fails.
Welcome back to Shock Cam Fails, the place where the road tells stories louder than words. From epic road rage to jaw-dropping close calls, today's ride is going to test your reflexes, even from the safety of your seat. And if you enjoy raw, real, and shocking road moments, hit that subscribe button so you never miss a clip. Watch closely. This driver changes lanes without checking mirrors or signaling, a disaster waiting to happen. The dashcam car hits the brakes just in time, avoiding a major crash. This is why every second, every signal matters on the road. Here comes a classic case of road arrogance. Tailgating at full speed, this driver rushes past others, only to get caught in a mess of their own making just seconds later. High-speed ego meet real-world consequences. U-turns in the middle of heavy traffic? Yeah, that's never a good idea. This driver blocks 2 lanes and nearly causes a pileup, all because they couldn't wait for the next intersection. Blink and you'll miss it, or in this case, stop signs. Speeding through without even slowing down, this driver forces a quick reaction from others just to avoid disaster. It's a miracle no one got hit. Pedestrians, always double-check before crossing. This one walks right out without looking, and the driver barely avoids a nightmare scenario. It's a close call that could have ended very differently. And here's a honk battle for the ages. One wrong move leads to 2 drivers locked in a horn war. It's not a crash, but it's chaos all the same. Sometimes noise can be just as aggressive as action. These dashcam moments remind us all, it's not just your driving you need to worry about, it's everyone else's too. Stay alert, stay calm, and stay safe. And if you enjoy these raw and real road moments, don't forget to subscribe to Shock Cam Fails, because the next wild clip could be just one turn away.